Thank you for gathering for us to update you on one of our cases here in the office. Today, I am announcing that Corey Hill has been indicted for first-degree murder for the killing of his estranged wife, Shakeira Rucker. Grand jury this week handed down that first-degree murder indictment. And additionally, my office has filed a death notice in this case. Just to recap a little bit about what we know about the case, back in November of last year, Ms. Rucker's family, who's with me on stage, reported her missing, and later had been determined that she had been found in a storage locker in Apopka. The suspect in that case was Mr. Corey Hill, and after reviewing the facts and evidence in that case, we filed a second-degree murder information, and then this week took that case to the grand jury where they handed down the first-degree murder indictment. There are two statutory aggravators that will be listed on the death notice in this case, one being the cold calculating methodology of the homicide, and the second being a prior violent offense from a 1992 murder in Virginia. At this time, I want to invite a member of Ms. Rucker's family to speak with you all about the legacy of Shakeira.
Hello, good morning. Thank you to everyone for coming out today. It truly means a lot to my family and I as we move forward in this first step in this journey of receiving justice for Shakeira Rucker. Before I begin, I'd like to thank the Orange County Clerk of Courts, the Orange County Courthouse, the State Attorney's Office, the Grand Jury, Winter Springs Police Department, Orange County Sheriff's Office, FDLE, FBI, and also to our family and friends that have been very supportive for us during this time. Standing here today, I have my sister Leonia, my brother Clarence, my brother Toy, my brother Jabbar, and my mom Elaine. All right. My name is Deidre Rucker. I am Shakeira's oldest sister. We stand here vulnerable and open to share that it's been difficult for our family during this time. It's been a very emotional roller coaster. We've been angry, we've been sad, very confused. It's just an indescribable pain that we feel with what's going on with what happened with Shakeira Rucker. We'll never have the chance to talk to her again. We'll never have the chance to spend any time. Her children will never be able to see her again. It's hard. It's hard. We've shown up. We thank everybody for showing up to help during the search parties, everybody who's been financially supportive to us, the prayers, all that. We thank you. We know that we are a family that's moving forward. And we know that this decision that may not bring my sister back, but it's going to be a step in justice. It's going to be a step. And as a person of faith, I can't. I'm sorry.
I want to thank the family for allowing us to be a part of Shakeira's legacy and the ongoing fight to seek justice for her. I want to thank the work of the Orange County Sheriff's Office, working closely with us to provide a very good and clean investigation of this crime, and for the Winter Springs Police Department for the efforts in looking for Shakeira when we did not know where she was. So the next steps for this case is that it's going to move to arraignment. That's a very straightforward process where Mr. Hill is going to be informed of the charges that he's going to be facing, and then we're going to start getting ready for a trial in this case. So that's a long process that involves discovery and other evidence, and obviously getting ready for a death penalty case.
Is it your intention to seek the death penalty?
Yes, sir. We did file a notice, I believe, this morning.
And then there was another incident where he was accused of shooting at family. What's the status of that part of the case?
That case is also moving forward, but we wanted to focus in on what's going on with Ms. Rucker in his case.
Are the two cases combined?
No, they're two separate incidents. Well, they same time period, but obviously two separate crimes.
In that notice filed yesterday, I saw that you cited case law, and in addition to the first-degree murder charge, that case law brought you in the direction of that counts 2 through 6. You could also seek the death penalty on those counts. How did that bolster your decision in seeking the death penalty?
I think it really, again, came down to reviewing the evidence, looking at the statutory aggravators that are in our Florida statutes, and truthfully, the cold calculating way that this homicide occurred, and then obviously somebody that's already been convicted of a prior homicide plays a big factor into whether we're going to seek the death penalty. Anything else? All right, thank you all for coming this morning. You want? Oh, sorry. Sorry. You want to speak on it?
I'm sorry, guys.
I know that we as a family are moving forward. I know that this decision may not bring my sister back, but it's a step in a direction for justice. As a person of faith, I pray for everybody involved, and that God put a hedge of protection over their hearts, their minds, and their souls. From this tragedy we started for My Sister Foundation in honor of Shakeira. If you would like information, please go to fmsfoundation.org. Also, we have flyers. We invite you to our upcoming inaugural event in February 1st at 1:30 in the city of Paca to help us continue our mission to fight back against domestic violence. I appreciate everybody for coming out. Thank you.
All right, thank you all for coming this morning.
At Duke Energy, we deliver electricity and so much more, like free home energy assessments, rebates for energy-saving improvements, payment options to help you better manage your budget, and even bill credits for helping the community use less energy. So no matter what you're doing, we can help you make better energy choices every day. It's just another way we bring power to your life. How much can you save?